Hello, beauties and cuties. It's your girl, Monty's Life featuring beauty. Yes, I haven't filmed in a while, and because I was waiting for certain things. And as you could tell from the thumbnail, I don't even know where to begin. Like, once again, I thank you, Venus, for, coming to see how I am and stuff like that. I'm okay, but I'm a little ticked off at Glamlite. I got I have the donut box, which I will leave a link up there if you want to watch that unboxing and swatching and all that other good stuff. And she came out with this holiday box, and once again, you know me, I'm a big girl, I'm a fat bitch, so I love food and I love her food themed items. But my issue number one, I ordered this when it launched. According to my emails, that was December 5th. And you guys know I hold out on packages sometimes because I just don't feel like filming or what have you or whatever. I just got this box yesterday. I had to email them twice. I had to write comments underneath their Instagram post, and I even DM'd them. I did not get any DM response. The only email response I got was due to, the United States Postal Service and delays and stuff like that, which I do completely understand. But there is no way I feel that I should have gotten this box damn near 3 weeks later. And the other bad news, I'm sure this is what people will call third world problems. And I am by anywhere near close to being a rich bitch, okay? I'm rich in spirit, I'm rich in knowledge, and I'm rich in love. Not rich in coins yet, which is all right. And what they call maybe a third world problem. Let's open up this package. I'm sure you guys have seen unboxings of this box, and I'm probably the very last person to do an unboxing of this box. Bubble wrap. We got these cute little dramatic gingerbread lashes. We got the cookies and cream highlighter. We got the eggnog gloss. We got the card. Got this gorgeous cherry pie palette. I'm not going to throw that. And the red velvet lippy. And the pecan lipping. And if you watched another haul or unboxing of this box, you'll know that there are actually 7 items in here. And I got 7 items. Oh, yes, I did. But the main item that I was really looking forward to, because I love collecting these things, is the brushes. I didn't receive the brushes in this box. You know what I got as a replacement? And I don't mean to be yelling, but I'm upset. I got their calligraphy waterproof liner. Now, don't get me wrong. I love a good liquid liner, but I have plenty of those. I wanted the brushes that was stated to be in this box as advertised on your Instagram post when you unveiled this box. And, of course, got a little card stating that the brushes are on back order, so please email us within 10 days in order to make sure you get your brushes. Now, my problem with this is, if those brushes were specifically made for the FOODIE box, they should have went into each and every FOODIE box first, and whatever stock that Glamlite Cosmetics had left over could have been posted for sale individually. Because, of course, it's sold out because I didn't receive them. Which I was like, I don't understand why I didn't receive my brushes. I watched unboxing after unboxing after unboxing. Everybody else got their brushes. I don't know. I might have been the only one that didn't get my brushes. So, if you can't tell, I'm highly upset by that. Yes, I am. Because you guys know when I do unbox these boxes, I try to do a look. That's why I don't have a stitch of makeup on right now. I'll try to do a quick little look, especially with an eyeshadow and, a lippy or whatever. But let's go through this, I guess. My lips kind of dry, so I guess I'll put some gloss on. Okay, you see the cute eggnog packaging. Like I said, I love her packaging, and I'm going to even order the Chocolate Factory FOODIE box. And I pray that everything will be in there as advertised through her Instagram and on her website, that all the stuff will be in there. And I probably won't order from them for quite a while. Like I said, I'm no great influencer. I'm no big, entitlement female. But damn, I am a customer. And damn, I did order this on the day of the launch. Come on now. Please, Glamlite, if anybody watches this, do a little bit better. And your customer service, at least. I understand that you guys get thousands upon thousands of emails and DMs. But just, you need more customer service or something. All right, here's the eggnog gloss. Beautiful, you know, peachy nude. And of course, I went through everything. You know, it does have the mirror on the side. Doesn't have a smell at all. I got a feeling I'm going to have to wear this with a brown liner or not. It don't matter. I'm over it at the moment. You know. Got some makeup wipes. Which these are a little bit larger, so I'm going to tear them in half. Anyway, I'm sorry, beauties and cuties. How are you guys doing? I hope, you know, I always know, I hope that you're well and everything, but no buts about it. I hope that you're well, and I hope this holiday week is bringing joy to your life. All right. Now we're going to swatch the Pecan Pie. Is this a gloss? It's got to be a gloss. Just says Pecan Pie. It doesn't state if it's a glaze or a gloss like it did with the donut foodie box. But there that is. It's a beautiful mauve. Now, this one has a very like hazelnut smell. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's like my lips, but better. Sorry, guys, for all the awkward silence, but I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it when I opened it up, and cause that's just me. I'm a sensitive Sagittarius, Scorpio. I'm born on the cusp, bitch, I guess. I'll get over it. I will. And you know I'm going to email them about my brushes, because I want those brushes. Alright, here's the red velvet. See, I wore red. And this one has like a cake batter smell. Okay, beauties and cuties, this is just me, but when you apply lipstick, do you hold your breath? I know I do. And especially doing eyeliner, too. I just wish I could control my blinking. Okay. Oh God, I'll do it all the time. I even see it like when I'm posting up, and I'm like, I have like a little divot of eyeliner because I don't blunk, but you know what? I'll be like, I don't, it don't matter. It's only makeup, it'll wash off. All right, the main event of this foodie box, freaking little fly, foodie box is the cherry pie palette, or should I say the coveted cherry pie palette. And I do like the fact of, once again, great packaging, 100 out of 100. I like that they got a little notch right here in order for you to get the palette out, and it is very well packaged. Yeah, Misha, I'm looking at her. All right. You can see the glitter and the lattice crust. You get a mirror, but I wanted to show you the glitter in the pie. And here are the shades. We're going to swatch them. Can't do a look because I didn't get my brushes. And that's the last time I'm going to say it. All right. Remove the plastic. Bend this back, which I do like. I'm going to start off with apple pie, then go around to nutty pecan, blueberry, mud pie, pumpkin, mixed berry, blackberry, pecan or pecan, sweet potato, and cherry pie blush. One thing I do got to say about this matte liquid lipstick, very comfortable. Feels like there's not even anything on my lips. All right. Oh, sorry. And the main reason why I really wanted this was for mud pie. And you know, when if God willing, if I get the Chocolate Factory, the chocolate donut palette, I would like to compare mud pie to, you know, one of the shades that I've seen in there. But maybe this has more of a reddish undertone than the chocolate donut palette. But there they are. So pretty. Like I said, Glamlite's products, when you can get them, they're excellent. Love them. You know, you can beat it, but you know what I mean. Great quality products. I don't know, got just a little stainage. Nothing too bad. Now we're going to go into these next four: pumpkin pie, mixed berry, blackberry, and pecan or pecan. They are so velvety smooth. There those go. Oh, yes, bitch. Gorgeous. Oh, I'm in love with that shade right there. You know I love, even though it's called pecan pie, I call it mermaid peach. So, and that pumpkin pie one, that coral salmon-y shade, gorgeous. All right, and then we just got the last three, which is, oh no, it's just sweet potato and the cherry pie blush. I was hoping that you could catch the texture that's in there. That sweet potato. I'm just gonna do that up here. And the cherry pie blush, I think. Yeah, that's the blush. But there's that whole cherry pie palette right there. And I think I gotta go to my job right quick. And I'll be back later with some great news. Good news. To put a smile on your face and mine. You know it's Shop Miss A related. Alright. So, you Beau-tees and Cue-tees, have a great, today's Wednesday? Yeah. Have a great Wednesday. And I'll be back later on. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, not a stress day. Which, you know, I got this out. I've ranted, I've raved. I'm good now. And, see you in the next episode.